Hello everyone, welcome to Bongo's Only 1 Second. My today's topic is Macbeth. Macbeth is a famous tragedy of William Shakespeare. Tragedy means a sad story or a sad event. In this tragedy, we will see the tragic story of Macbeth. So let's start. First of all, we have to know the characters of the play. Our first character is Macbeth, who is the hero of our tragedy. At first, he was the Thane of Glamis, but then he will kill the king and become king himself. But it did not last long. The story ends with his tragic condition. Then Lady Macbeth. At the beginning of a story, her behavior was pretty, but we will see a change in her character due to greed, and she encourages her husband to kill the king. But at the end of the story, she will go crazy herself, and perhaps she will commit suicide. Then Duncan, the King of Scotland, Malcolm and Donalbain, two sons of the king, three witches. These three witches have played a very important role in this tragedy. And except this, we have two more important characters, which is Banquo and Macduff. At the beginning, we will see three witches were talking with each other and waiting for Macbeth to return. On the other hand, we see that Norway is at war with Scotland, and Macbeth and Banquo are fighting against Norway. And in that battle, Scotland won for Macbeth's heroism. After winning the battle, when they returned to Scotland, Macbeth and Banquo made three witches, where the first witches congratulates Macbeth as the Thane of Glamis, and the second witch congratulates him as the Thane of Cawdor, and the third witch addressed Macbeth as the future King of Scotland. And this says to Banquo that someone from your family will be the king in future, but not you. Saying this, the three witches left. Macbeth was already the Thane of Glamis, and back in Scotland, they find out that Macbeth has becoming the Thane of Cawdor because the previous Thane of Cawdor betrayed Scotland and the King Duncan punished him to death. After the death of the previous Thane of Cawdor, Macbeth was the only one who deserved that honor. Then we will see Macbeth write a letter to his wife informing her of all that has happened to him. After reading the letter, Lady Macbeth was happy, but at the same time, she was disappointed to read the letter because she knew what Macbeth's character was like. She knew how gentle and honest Macbeth was. From this, we learn about the character of Macbeth. But later on, the change in Macbeth's nature brought about his tragic consequences. Then Lady Macbeth will find out that the King Duncan, Malcolm, Donalbain, Banquo, his son, Macduff, everyone is coming to her castle tonight. After that, she decides that the king must be killed. Then Macbeth will be the king. And then we will see that Macbeth kills King Duncan according to Lady Macbeth's plan. And then Lady Macbeth spilled the king's blood on the guards so that everyone suspect the guards. After the death of the king, Malcolm and moved to England and Donalbain moved to Ireland. And Macbeth becomes king of Scotland. Macbeth becomes king, but according to the witch's prophecy, after Macbeth, someone from Banquo's claim will be the king. As soon as this thought came to his mind, Macbeth tries to kill Banquo and Banquo's son, and kills Banquo, but Fluence, Banquo's son, escapes. After Banquo's death, Macbeth sees Banquo's soul and start behaving like crazy in front of everyone. Then Lady Macbeth calm him down because only she knew the whole thing. After Banquo's death, Macduff left Scotland and moved to England. Then Macduff informs Malcolm of everything, and the two together form a huge army against Macbeth with the help of the King of England. On the other hand, Macbeth again goes to the three witches, and there he could find out a person born from his mother's womb will never be able to kill him, and there is no danger until the forest in front of his castle is coming towards him and warns of Macduff. After finding out what Macduff is doing against him, Macbeth kills Macduff's wife and her sons. Then we will see Malcolm, Macduff, Fluence, King of England, everyone get together and come to the side of Burnham Forest with a huge army. On the other hand, Lady Macbeth, who was very brave and cunning, will find out about her miserable condition. She will see the blood of the king's death in her own hands and behave like crazy. Then we see Malcolm, King of England, everyone standing with a huge army outside of Macbeth's castle. And then Malcolm orders the armies to cut down a small tree branch and walk away holding in front of their face, so as to be as wrong as they are not realize how many armies there are. At this time, a messenger came to Macbeth and informed him that the forest of Bornham has been running. Macbeth then prepares for battle, and at this point, he gets the news that his wife was dead. After the death of his wife, he was emotionally broken, but he managed himself and prepared for war. On the battlefield, Macduff calls him, fight with him. Macbeth says, no one can kill me by being born from the womb. Then Banquo says, I was not born from the womb. I was cut off from my mother's womb at an inopportune time. After that, we will see Banquo returning to the royal court with Macbeth's severed head. Macbeth's tragedy ends with this tragic death of Macbeth.